What happens to your body if you drink ginger tea every day? Did you know that a simple serving of fresh ginger contains more antioxidants than a serving of blueberries? What if I told you that ginger could provide more essential nutrients than many popular superfoods? Ginger, Zingiber officinale, is a tropical plant native to Asia. Considered a pungent, dry, and warming yang herb, ginger offers an array of health benefits. Civilizations such as the Roman, Greek, Chinese, and Arabian have detailed the medicinal applications of ginger. It gained considerable recognition in Asian medicinal practices as a remedy for gastrointestinal problems, including nausea and diarrhea. Beyond these uses, ginger has traditionally been employed to alleviate muscle and joint discomfort, cold and flu symptoms, abdominal pain, menstrual discomfort, and to treat skin burns. Today, let's explore the science behind ginger's medicinal properties. Make sure to watch until the end, because there are some simple tips and recipes for adding more ginger to your diet. In this video, we will give you 8 reasons to drink ginger tea every day. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will learn how to prepare a powerful ginger tea to incorporate into your daily routine. So stick with me to explore the full potential of this incredible ingredient. With a history that spans centuries and a prominent role in various cultural traditions, ginger transcends its status as a simple spice. It is revered not only for its robust flavor, but also for its nutritional and medicinal properties, earning its place as a culinary gem and a cornerstone in natural remedies. From ancient times to its global dissemination, ginger has secured a special place in both kitchens and traditional medicine. Its rich nutrient content, including vitamins A, B, C, and minerals, such as potassium and magnesium, combined with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant active compounds, turn it into a powerhouse of health benefits, offering support from digestion to strengthening the immune system. Now that you know the wonders of ginger, get ready to discover 8 irresistible reasons to include ginger tea in your daily routine. 1. Alleviates nausea and vomiting. Ginger is renowned for its exceptional efficacy in alleviating nausea and motion sickness. Research indicates that its routine intake can significantly reduce symptoms associated with travel sickness, chemotherapy, and pregnancy-related nausea. This ability to combat nausea is attributed to compounds present in ginger, such as gingerol, which act in a soothing manner on the digestive system, helping to reduce the sensation of discomfort and offering relief for those who suffer from these issues. 2. Promotes digestive health. For centuries, ginger has been a go-to remedy for digestive disturbances. It stimulates the production of enzymes necessary for digestion and enhances gastrointestinal motility, thereby fostering more effective digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, ginger has been validated as an effective natural remedy for easing indigestion symptoms, including heartburn and abdominal discomfort. It stands out as a natural alternative for maintaining digestive health and alleviating various digestive tract ailments. 3. Combats inflammation and infections. Ginger stands out for its profound anti-inflammatory effects, primarily attributed to gingerol, a potent compound prolific in this root. This compound is known for its substantial anti-inflammatory properties, offering therapeutic benefits in managing inflammatory disorders like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and various autoimmune conditions. Additionally, ginger's bactericidal and antimicrobial elements position it as a formidable natural ally in bolstering the immune response to respiratory ailments, including the flu, colds, asthma, and bronchitis. Ginger tea is an exceptional choice for the prevention and alleviation of cold symptoms, and its efficacy is further enhanced when paired with lemon. The vitamin C from lemon, combined with ginger's rich antioxidants, fortifies the immune system and reduces airway inflammation. Inhaling the steam from the tea also aids in clearing nasal congestion and ameliorating respiratory conditions. In addition, ginger is effective in treating infections within the oral cavity and throat, addressing ailments such as pharyngitis, tonsillitis, periodontitis, and gingivitis, demonstrating its broad therapeutic value. 4. Alleviates muscle and joint discomfort. Ginger can be a strong ally in the relief of muscle and joint pain. Studies from the University of Georgia suggest that regular ginger intake can lessen muscle pain associated with physical activity and chronic conditions like fibromyalgia. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities of ginger are key to this relief. They synergistically act to mitigate pain, offering a natural and effective means of managing discomfort. 5. Relieves menstrual cramps. Many women experience significant discomfort from menstrual cramps, often accompanied by heavy bleeding and abdominal pain. In this context, ginger has emerged as a possible relief for this discomfort. Research indicates that ginger may considerably diminish the severity of pain linked to menstrual cramps, providing a level of relief that rivals that of traditional pain relievers. This effect is due to ginger's ability to relax the muscles of the uterus, attributed to the phenolic compounds and anthocyanins found in this root, which offer analgesic properties. Furthermore, ginger has also proven beneficial in controlling migraines, which further highlights its potential in alleviating pain related to menstrual issues and other associated conditions. 6. Promotes satiety and blood sugar regulation. Recent research has highlighted ginger's potential in controlling blood sugar, with studies in animals and humans indicating its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. It is estimated that regular consumption of ginger may result in a reduction of about 35% in blood glucose levels. These properties make ginger particularly beneficial for those dealing with diabetes or prediabetes, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent complications associated with the disease. However, it is essential to emphasize that the use of this root does not replace a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Research from Columbia University has found that ginger tea may enhance satiety, leading to reduced hunger sensations. This characteristic positions ginger as a supportive element in weight management strategies. Due to these properties, it is often considered a valuable ally in weight loss diets. It is also recognized for boosting calorie burning and can be used to create a traditional concoction known as switchel, a homemade isotonic drink mixed with apple cider vinegar, ginger, honey, and water. Before we move on to the last two benefits, don't forget to like if you are enjoying the content, subscribe to this channel, and activate notifications to be the first to know about our new exclusive videos. 7. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may contribute to cardiovascular health by promoting balanced blood pressure and supporting heart function. Traditional uses of ginger have included treatments for conditions like hypertension, and it's often suggested as a flavorful substitute for salt in diets. A study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology examined the effects of ginger under experimentally controlled conditions to understand its impact on the heart. The findings suggested that ginger can aid in lowering blood pressure by blocking specific calcium channels. Furthermore, its antioxidants assist in neutralizing excess free radicals, thereby preventing the oxidation of fat cells. This process contributes to managing blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 8. Enhances memory. Ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities may offer protective benefits for brain health, guarding against oxidative stress and inflammation that can contribute to cognitive deterioration. Research conducted by Hindawi Publishing Corporation explored ginger's impact on the cognitive abilities of middle-aged women, revealing promising outcomes. The findings highlight improvements in working memory, suggesting that ginger could be considered as a potential cognitive enhancer, particularly for middle-aged women. This positions ginger not only as a culinary ingredient, but also as a beneficial supplement for brain health. In addition to being a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, ginger is a potent source of health benefits, backed by studies and experts, making it worthwhile to include in your diet. This knowledge comes not only from modern science, but also from ancient traditions. When the body calls for help and nature offers a solution, ginger reveals itself as an ancient secret worth discovering. How can ginger be used? Ginger can be used in a variety of ways, depending on personal preferences. Here are some tips on how to use it. Tea. Ginger juice can be extracted and used as a potent flavor enhancer, or for its health benefits in tea and juices. Culinary uses. Fresh ginger has a spicy and intense flavor, making it perfect for culinary dishes such as soups, stir-fries, marinades, salads, juices, and smoothies. You can peel it and grate it, slice it into thin pieces, or chop it according to your preference. Powdered. Ginger powder is versatile and convenient, ideal as a seasoning in both sweet and savory dishes. It is commonly used in spices and masalas for gravies, curries, marinades, stews, smoothies, and tea. It's also a key component in baking, lending a warm, spicy flavor to gingerbread, cookies, and cakes. Be sure to choose a high-quality powder without any unwanted additives. Crystallized. This form of ginger involves fresh ginger that is cooked and sweetened with sugar, often eaten as a sweet snack or used in desserts. Supplements and capsules. For individuals looking for a more concentrated intake, ginger supplements or capsules are commercially available. Capsules or tablets are available and provide a convenient and measured dose of ginger without the need for meal preparation. Ginger essential oil. Known for its soothing properties, ginger essential oil can be diluted with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and applied topically to the skin to help relieve muscle aches and rheumatic pain. It's important to mix 3 to 5 drops of ginger essential oil with a tablespoon of the carrier oil before application to avoid skin irritation. And here's a tip. If you prefer powdered ginger, be mindful of the quantity, as the powder is more potent in flavor than the fresh root. So start with a small quantity and adjust to taste. How to prepare ginger tea. To prepare ginger tea, follow these simple steps. Ingredients: 2 to 3 centimeters of fresh ginger, 180 milliliters of water. Optional: sweeteners like sugar, honey, or maple syrup. Start by taking 2 to 3 centimeters, or approximately 20 to 30 grams, of fresh ginger. Slice it thinly or grate it to increase the surface area, which helps infuse more flavor. Place the ginger in a pot with about 180 milliliters of water. Bring the water to a boil, then let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your preferred strength of flavor. For an alternative method using powdered ginger, mix 1 tablespoon of ginger powder into 1 liter of boiling water. Alternatively, for a single serving, put 1 tablespoon of grated ginger into a cup of boiling water and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the ginger pieces or powder residue. This ginger tea can be enjoyed hot, or allow it to cool down and serve as a refreshing cold beverage. While some may choose to add sweeteners, enjoying the infusion in its natural state allows you to fully appreciate its aromatic and beneficial properties. What are the potential side effects and risks of ginger? While ginger is celebrated for its health benefits, it's essential to consider its potential side effects and risks. Consuming ginger in moderation is usually safe for most people, but high amounts can lead to gastrointestinal issues. Therefore, it is important to be cautious when consuming ginger, as excessive intake can result in stomach discomfort and diarrhea, especially for those with gastritis. Additionally, people with high blood pressure should be aware that ginger may further lower blood pressure. Ginger should not be used by individuals with gallstones, gastric ulcers, or clotting disorders. Those on medications for high blood pressure or diabetes are advised to seek a physician's guidance before adding ginger to their diets. Pregnant women must exercise particular caution, as the safe dosage of ginger during pregnancy has yet to be determined. To prevent any potential risks to the fetus, ginger should only be used cautiously and under a healthcare provider's supervision. As always, moderation is key, and if you are new to consuming or using ginger, start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. Just a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you're concerned about your health, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the ginger's benefits. If you want to stay informed about health and well-being, subscribe to Incredibly Healthy and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more insights on health and lifestyle, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.